Hi everyone, this is Triple T, and today I'm taking a look at Worbotron's WB03-A, the turbo ejector, or afterburner, that I like to call him. Let's look at the box, and this is an epic box. Really well made. Nothing really on it, but if you get this out, you can actually open a little lid here with some nice illustrations. You can pull this out if you want to get your pieces out. But let's get it back into collector mode. This is Worbotron Collection. Really nice. And Afterburner looks really good. You have a lot of posability in him, and the details are just outstanding. Let's take a closer look, shall we? You can see the light piping working its magic here. A lot of painted detailing on the chest and the arms. My favorite, gunmetal gray. And on the legs as well. These pieces are starting to wear, I think, but they still look good. More gunmetal gray. These are the back of his legs. It looks worse just because I put the insignia on, but he has to have an insignia somewhere. Nicely done backside of the wheels, or insides rather. They can actually spin independently of the wheel. And I say spin loosely because this doesn't spin loosely, but these does, so, well. And for articulation, the head can do a 360. The arms, if you move these move in and out, and you can move these up and down if you want to hide them or if you want to have them out. I think I want to hide them just for now. No, because I want to turn the arms around. They can do a 360 if they don't bump into everything like that. You have a bicep rotation. You have a over 90 degrees, almost the full bend at the arms. You can rotate the hands, but they're quite stiff. And you can open them, they're on one peg. So not much articulation there, but it works out fine in these class of robots. You have a waist rotation. You can kick to there, but if you use the knee joint, you can actually kick higher, but this just looks silly. All the way back, and again, you can use the knee joint, but who does that? Out to the side, full splits. The knees does less than 90 degrees. You have thigh rotation. It breaks the mold, but it works. And this knee, by the way, goes both ways. The feet go up, they go down, they go all the way around, so they're quite posable. So if you want to, you can do a wide stance with the foot tilting inwards. even though it's quite high there. And you have a little heel spur here that you can actually fold out if you need for stabilization, but you don't. You can fold that down. And of course you can rotate these, but they're supposed to be down. You can fold this, and it's supposed to be up as well. Why wasn't it? And so on. So he's quite posable for being such an old mold. Yes, you are an old mold. That's why you droop, I think. Or maybe it's just my fault. And for accessories, he has his big guns, and they have storage in every mode, thankfully. And they just look the same. Now, for comparison, I bring in Lightspeed. And he's a leg bot and quite taller, but I think they look good together. And you can really see that they're from the same set, so cheers for that. Now, let's get him into alt mode. You start by removing these pieces. They are quite stiff and really stuck in there. Like that. Finally! You straighten out the arms, you come to the back, fold this down, fold these together, and you have to be careful to tab everything in correctly or you'll break it. You fold these forward, and then you fold the whole thing up. So he's a unicycle. Okay, what is with me and the circus songs today? Okay, fold the arms forward, open the arms up, fold the hand in. And now we're going to tab the arm in here in two places, there and there, which means there and there. Like so. Let's do the same thing with the other arm. Just fold them in. Sorry for the feet in your face. Feet in your face. No, just kidding. Fold them up, tab them into the correct places. And now comes an optional thing. I do it because I want to hide his face, or he will have a visible face syndrome in this mode. I fold his chest up, compress it together, and fold it upwards like that. It's not much, but if you push his head forward, it covers up somewhat. Okay. Now we need to get his legs together, and we need to press them forward so they actually go into leg down. Good. I wasn't ready for them to go down that easily, so I was talking in the middle. Never mind. Okay, fold the waist up. Then you fold the legs down, and you have tabs there that go into ports there. But before, I forgot. You have to fold the feet up. Sorry. Now we can do that. And now it's secure. Then you take this wheel and tab it into those ports there. Might need to squeeze everything in. You fold these down. And stay. You bring these pieces from the arm back in, you put them together, and you place them here as I thought I was going to be able to do this the easy way, but I'm not. I need to rotate him around so I see what I'm doing. fold those back up. You shouldn't, but what are you gonna do? Now you can see all the tabs and ports and slots and stuff like that. Then we put them down. Okay. Now we need to re-tab the upper body, and soon we're done. We fold these forward, tab them together, fold this front out, and now we're going to fold them at the lower joint here, not on the ball. And this is not that simple. Okay, the last bit of transformation we're going to do is to fold these forward, to close that cabin up, like so. And then we bring back the guns, put them in, and now we have Afterburner in his alt mode. And this is a good looking alt mode, I must say. Almost like a racer coming for you. Really good, really nice. And this isn't really a Earth vehicle, but it doesn't have to be. It still looks good. And we can look at some of the details here. This was hidden on the arms, so now we have some afterburners. This wheel spins quite freely. The back one doesn't. Just because I said doesn't, now it does. It differs from transformation to transformation, I think. So that's what he looks like from above. And that's what he looks like from beneath. And you can see the arms and the head, but still you can't. They are hidden away quite good, so I am not bothered by that at all. You don't really have any articulation on him, so I will go to comparison straight away, and I bring back scattershot for that. They are quite large. Take the stand off. They're quite large, both of them. And you can tell that they're from the same set. They look great together and have a lot of the same standard ports on both of them. But again, of course, he is shorter than Scattershot, and if you fold the guns away, he's even shorter. But that doesn't do anything, I think. He still looks good. Now, let's get him transformed into arm mode. And firstly, we remove the guns. We don't need them yet. We bring that down. You loosen the arms from the wheels like that. And then we fold him out. Fold these in for now. We will be bringing them out again later on. Fold this little piece down and fold it up again on the lower hinge like that. We turn him like that, because this is going to be the front of the arm. We fold the toes way up as far as we can. Like so. We remove these, and they broke on me. Oh, they're separated on me, not broke. These tabs are going in there, so and it's not that secure, but it will hold, hopefully. Now we need to straighten out the legs. This is problematic. Okay, let's take one leg at a time. Or maybe not. This one's difficult. Why is it? Good. Now let's get everything back the way it was. Push it down like that. Put the feet up again. These come up to the side, like so. These were supposed to be tabbed on to these. And they really don't want to stick together, so this really isn't a secure connection at all. But something like that. Okay, let's bring this down again. The wheels stay up here, but the arms fold down to make a little lower S or something like that. So now we fold out, and this keeps hurting me. I think I need a spludger. Like so. And now we need to add pieces. And now everything is going to fall apart again. This piece is going to go inside there, which means we need to loosen those up again and separate those a bit. Finally. And again, we need to put these back because they keep falling off. This is not my favorite part of the transformation, I can tell you. And you need a hand. And there you have arm mode. And as you can see, the backpack is a bit bigger, not way too much, and you can fold that down if you want to. But that just makes it even bigger. So it's not really the same size as the other side, unfortunately. But it's an arm mode, and it looks fairly good, I must say. So for my concluding thoughts on this bot, I like him very much. I think he's my favorite in robot and vehicle mode among the smaller Technobots. No one comes close to Scattershot, but still, the quality is really good, the detailing is solid, nothing breaks, nothing squeaks too much. He's really, really nice, and the light piping is outstanding. You can see the age of the mold in several places, both joint-wise and paint-wise and detail-wise, but I think he holds the test of time still, which is a testament to Worbotron's quality at the get-go. And he is, of course, just as every bot in this set, a strong recommendation. If you can get them, buy them. If you like Computron and a well-made one, you will not be disappointed. Just remember that they will tear your fingers up, because the plastic is hard and every tolerance is tweaked to perfection. But I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, take care.